In a world of constant change, how do you not just survive but thrive?
Setting the sail relates to not just how we choose to act during times of change, but how we choose to feel and what we choose to focus on.
Now we are 4 hours from Malaysia, so it's 6 o'clock.
I found the workshop very lively and interactive. I have discovered that I'm somebody who hides my emotions because I don't want others to see my vulnerability, my fears and my angers. But through this workshop, I have learned to embrace my emotions.
So what surprised me the most, I think it's Dom's energy. At the moment you are before him, how low or dull you might feel, he makes you feel very alive and energetic. And the best part is the little learnings, like it doesn't take months, it takes only seconds. Those are really powerful.
I'm glad that this workshop turned out to be the turning point of my life. I was struggling with different things and situations in life before joining this workshop, and meeting those wonderful people, sharing, communicating, hearing from them really helped me to move ahead with confidence and new energy. I was able to break through my laziness and self-doubt.
Equip yourself with the skills and mindset to not just endure change, but to embrace and thrive in it. Explore our impactful sessions covering resilience and adaptability, cultivating optimism, tapping into wellness, emotional intelligence, developing the growth mindset, and more. Ready to thrive through change? Contact eqstrategist today.